Hey guys, so welcome to another short course for ChatGPT. This is actually a course on ChatGPT for work, so you'll be able to see at the end of this course, you'll be able to use ChatGPT Work and how you can maximize it for creating different things. It actually does the work. That's why it's called ChatGPT for work. So if you're ready, then let's get started. So if you have your existing chats, if you have already existing chats in ChatGPT, and so for example, uh, this one, let me just quickly open. I have different projects here and I have different pinned projects. So if you're new to ChatGPT, you can organize your work into folders or projects. So basically, if you want an existing chat that's not actually in the work mode, because in the work mode, you'll be able to see.
Is Japan Southeast Asia?
Hold on. So if you want to see, hold on, let me pause this for a bit. Okay, so all you have to do is to actually ask ChatGPT to, let's say I want to convert this chat thread to a work chat. So ChatGPT will generate the prompt that you need to open in another work chat. So it's thinking right now. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, so basically ChatGPT will do this. It will actually create your prompt. So all you need to do is just copy this and then go to new chat. Then just make sure that you're under work. Then just paste it. You can adjust the settings. Can choose the different models. There's Sol, Terra, Luna. Not sure what's the difference for those, but I'm using Sol. Then send prompt. Okay, did this? Okay. So as you can see, there's the outputs. So anything that it generates a file or a site, it's added there, and the sources. If there's a file or a website, it's automatically added here as the source. So if you're working on, let's say, your brand, content marketing, let's say for a blog site or creating images, you can easily transfer it to work mode. And then, of course, you can move this to or organize them into the projects. Okay. So different use cases for ChatGPT for work is that you can easily integrate it with uh, different tools or plugins. You can easily integrate it with different plugins, like for Canva, for Google Docs, for your Gmail, for your calendar. You can generate videos via HeyGen or with your HubSpot, and even sites like Lovable, as well as it can create PDFs, presentations, and spreadsheets. So let me just quickly show you what work you can do here. So for example, if you want your content strategy, so basically if you're posting on LinkedIn or on different platforms, you can easily have on-brand images generated also with ChatGPT for work. It's very similar to the old chat version of ChatGPT, but this one, as you can see, it generates already the output. So it can easily edit your Word file, your PowerPoint files, and basically anything that's editable. So it will download skills. So basically it will generate the actual PDF from your source Word file. So for example, if it's a sectoral code, you can upload the draft document and it will generate the new draft document that aligns with certain, for example, for certain frameworks or for different like alignments or requirements as well. Like for example, for the DPA, you can actually ask it to align your document with certain frameworks like GDPR, with AMLA, and etc. So what else? Basically, it's a faster and quicker way to generate consistent work, and it does the actual work. So that's basically it for this short course. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.